Now, hi guys, a very warm welcome to the second lesson for Warli for beginners. In this lesson, we are going to cover Warli birds and animals, Warli trees, and Warli huts. So, quickly grab your drawing book or a simple ivory sheet or a computer sheet and take your black pen. So, let us learn how to create some birds that are done in Warli style. I hope you've been able to make your basic shapes, whirly borders, and human figures. So let us start. Now, first, we are going to make a simple bird pattern. Now, for that pattern, first draw a circle. This is going to be the head of the bird. We are going to make a simple dot for the eye. Now, make a triangular beak for the bird. Now, draw a semicircle like this. Draw a semicircle in this, and for the tail we are going to draw a triangle. Now here come the feet of the bird. Now you can make your bird prettier by doing some kind of lining work in this area. You can also color the tail of your bird using a black sketch. This way. Now let us learn another bird. The second, in this bird only, you can have a variation. I'll just show a very small bird. So the basic body of the bird is the same, and you can have a variation in the tail pattern. Now we come to the second bird. The second bird is a flying bird. So to draw a flying bird or a bird in flight mode, draw a circle, draw an eye, then give the beak of the bird. Now for the body of the bird, we are drawing an eye shape. Now here, divide it half, and here we are going to give lines to show key it is in the flight mode. And draw a curve like this and draw thin lines. And cover half the body with black color to show that the bird is in flight mode. So this is how you can show flying birds. Now let us learn how to draw another bird. Just draw a circle and draw a shape like this. So this is a very popular bird which is made. This bird you can finish by coloring the body part, this part of the bird, using your black paint. Now next comes the peacock. We are going to draw a small simple version of the peacock. So see, just follow, make a circle, don't finish it. Pull these two lines down. Now draw this kind of a shape. This is like a drop shape. This is the beak, this is the eye. Now we are going to make this on the peacock head. Now first we will draw the feet. And now for the tail, first draw 3 or 4 lines. And now you are going to draw a dot and line, dot and line, dot and line. So this you will do all in on both the sides of the peacock line. See, same way we are going to do it here also. this. So these are how you can make some of the popular birds. Now let us learn some animals in Warli style. Now the popularly drawn animals in Warli style. First, let us learn how to draw a horse. For that, we are drawing two curves. This is the mouth. These are the ears and one or two here. Draw the eyes. Now this is a long neck. Horse का long neck होता है. Now there come the hair. Now we are going to draw the two triangles. Tail and the feet. We are going to color it. I will color and show you. Next, let us learn how to draw a cow. So these are the horns. These are the ears. Now here we are showing a hump. So see, we are using different types of triangles here. So the more you practice your triangles, the better your animals are going to come. Now let me show you how to make an elephant. So for an elephant, first make a spiral like this. Draw a line and draw the eye. So this is the face of the elephant. Now draw a curve like this and draw 4 feet. So 2 come here and 2 smaller because they are on the back side. Next is the tail and the ear is going to come here, so it's going to be a simple spiral line. We are now going to do this. So this is, you can decorate it using any border pattern that we had learned, like here I am using the checked pattern to decorate it. We are going to learn one more animal here. You can learn how to do a fish. Now give this eye shape that we learned. Draw a small double line curve here. So generally for the fins they would use triangles, so use triangles and triangle for the tail. For the body also you can use triangles to decorate it and different types of lines. Now before we go ahead, let me just finish coloring and show you. So see, now you can see how pretty all the animals are looking. I will just finish the tail of the horse with the lines. So animals and birds we have learned. Now let us move to the trees. Now here we are going to learn some patterns of the trees which are very popularly done. So first let us start with the simple tree. Now for this pattern of the tree, just draw a double line in this way. We are going to use mainly triangles here. First draw your triangles and then we are going to draw lines. This is one very simple pattern of a tree. The second pattern of the tree, which is quite popular, is another form of triangles. You must have observed that triangles and circles are the basic shapes which are being used a lot in majority of the trees. Now there is a taller tree which I'll show you. This looks very pretty. Draw a circle here. Now draw a straight line on the three sides, then split it. So we have 7 lines. Now we are going to make a triangle and the curved line. We are going to make a triangle and a curved line. So it's basically a triangle and the curved line for all the leaves. Now there is a very simple leaf pattern which I'll show you, which is used as a filler. So you will draw divide it and only use lining. Now this here I have drawn it only with 3 leaves. You can draw it with 5 leaves, so it will become bigger in size. Now another tree which is very popular and looks very nice is you draw the curved line and you can divide it. This is the trunk area. Now once you've drawn the trunk area, we are going to draw curved lines like this. Now these are acting as the base for the leaves. So here what we are going to do is, we are going to do slanting lines. See, slanting lines that we practiced, those lines we are going to use here. Same way. This tree is very common in the Madhubani paintings and it looks very beautiful. This way. Now I'll show you one more tree before we finish this. So draw small branches here. So this is, you draw a curve, basically a semicircular curve, and just draw lines. Now let me color all of these and show you how they look. So now you can see that the Warli trees are done and they are looking very nice, both the animals and the birds as well as the trees. Now let us learn 2-3 varieties of huts which are very popular. So for drawing the huts, I am using my scale. You can also use your scale. Now draw 2 lines and make a rectangular shape. Now I am not making the line for the top. What I am going to do is I am going to make a curved line like this and I am going to make a semicircle. Now after I have done that, I am going to divide this and I am going to give a double line and divide this also into half. Now you can use a scale here also. Now here what I am going to do is I am going to draw straight lines like this to show a thatched effect. आप इसको करने के लिए you can use a scale. If you are comfortable and you want to continue doing with your free hand, you can do with free hand. If you are not so comfortable free hand, you can even use a scale to do this. Now here generally they used to show a ladder kind of a thing यहाँ पे like this. Now here also for the roof we are going to show lines and we are going to show lines here. Now the first hut is done. Let me show you 1 or 2 more varieties of huts. So this is a small hut that I am making here. Again I am going to draw lines for 3 sides. I am drawing a small curve and here I am going to draw a conical kind of a hut like this. Now I am dividing it into 4 parts. I am making a door kind of a thing and we are just going to give little very slight curved lines. See, these are straight, these are little curvy. There are 3-4 varieties in which the huts were made in most of the Warli paintings. So we will discuss one type of them because these will be largely used by us in all our compositions. Now let us learn another variety. Again I have drawn the lines only for 3 sides. And here we are going to learn another variety where we are doing a flat top and we are drawing a curved line here. Now when we are drawing the curved line here, now you can give it another sort of a design pattern which was done at that time, which is like this. So now when you do, you are going to make the other type of curve. Okay. Now in this, what there is another way they would do the houses was, you can divide it into two parts, and they would divide this further, and it is going to have different kinds of slanting lines. Now let me just use my sketch pen to highlight like this area. So in this way we can draw the Warli huts. So in this lesson we have learned, let me quickly recap. We have learned how to draw Warli birds and animals, then we learned how to draw the Warli trees and the Warli huts. So do make your templates also ready so that we are well prepared to start making our first composition of Warli human celebrations in the next lesson. Thanks for watching. Do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the notification button or the bell button so that you can be notified as soon as we are live or we put a new video. Thank you so much, and bye bye.